So let me get this straight. Someone mailed Rekieta one of Chris Chan's real Sonichu medallions with a letter saying a new host has been chosen. Nick put on the medallion. Nick then became an alcoholic drug addict who goes to swinger bars and rambles about she. What? What? Is Chad, is this real? Is this true though? Is this true? Did he actually get a Chris Chan medallion? A new hand touches the beacon. What? Is this real? Is this actually true? He did milk the Chris Chan lol cow for a bit, but was like, that's insane, bro. What? Guessing MrJMeZZ is Sonichu Medallion. No, you are not. No, you are not. I have Tannerite. I don't even have to open the box to get rid of it.
What's your pleasure?
Nick Rekieta.
It's yours. It always was.